Welcome to this meditation. Every creation in the Sacred Alchemy Series is designed as a complete ritual, including a handcrafted talisman, an aura spray, and a meditation to help you stay aligned with your highest path. This meditation uses the Self-Love Potion Ritual Kit, but please know that the kit is not necessary to experience the full benefits of this practice. If you would like your own ritual kit, please see the description box below. If you are using the kit, you can spray the mist and wear the bracelet prior to beginning the meditation. Get into a comfortable position where you will not be disturbed for several minutes. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and allow it to clear away the noise of the day, the expectations of others, and any lingering self-doubt. Take another deep breath, allowing the belly to rise and fall, allowing yourself to relax and settle in deeper into your body. Continue to breathe. Begin to visualize a golden light glowing at your solar plexus. This golden light is expanding and glowing brighter with every inhale and exhale. This is the seat of your power. Allow the energy of this light to continue to radiate from the solar plexus. Observe how it feels, allowing it to become stronger and more expansive. Place your hand over your heart center. Your heart is a sacred sanctuary, a place of divine reverence and the seat of the soul. For too long, you have accepted bare minimum of respect and love. Today, we close that chapter. Visualize a velvet rope being placed around your energy. You are the curator of this space. Only that which is of the highest vibration may enter. This is your protective barrier, your boundary of strength. Your energy is protected. You can stand strong in your own power. Now, imagine yourself standing at the top of a grand staircase. You are draped in the energy of the High Priestess. You don't need to shout to be heard. Your presence is your power. Every cell in your body is vibrating with the frequency of worth. You are a beacon of light, a pillar of strength, and you embody High Priestess energy. Feel this in your soul. You are the temple. Now repeat the following affirmations silently to yourself. I am the love of my life. I no longer negotiate my value. My radiance is my natural state. Allow yourself to feel these affirmations at the very core. Within your heart center, your solar plexus. Allow that to resonate for you. Continue to feel the High Priestess energy resonate throughout your body. Feel the vibration of that energy. Take your time bringing your awareness back into the room, back into your body. You can stay here for as long as you like. And when you are ready, wiggle your fingers and toes. And gently open your eyes. Carry this feeling with you wherever you go. You are aligned, you are magnetic, and you are enough. And so it is. Namaste.